Hi, Phyllis here from southernfrugal.com. I'm going to make some bonbons, and I'm going to use the leftover really filling from making the icebox cake, because it always makes more than fits in my pan, so I always have some left over. And I usually make little itty-bitty individual little cakes, but this time I decided to do something different. I'm going to turn the batter into bonbons. Now remember, the icebox cake isn't cooked. It doesn't have eggs or milk or anything in it. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. Now this cake is very, very rich and very sweet. Alright, now we've already eaten some of it. See, what I did is I ground up, that's probably, I don't know, a cup of nuts. Pecans is what I'm going to use, but you can use anything. You could even use confectionery sugar. Now the true definition of a bonbon is that it is covered with chocolate. Now the inside is never chocolate. It's always just a thin outside coating is chocolate. But that term has come to mean anything form of candy that's sweet and covered with chocolate. But I'm going to call these Amaretto Bon Bons. Alright, first thing you'll do is just slice what you had left over from the cake batter and try to get them in as much as you can in even increments. I'm going to turn it around this way, and I think I'm going to do I'll just do 3 slices this way. And some of them might be a little bigger than others. And what you want is one that's got about 2, big bites from it. So this corner one would be a little bigger, so I'm going to slice that off and that off to make one. Now I'm going to take it. Now remember, this stays in the refrigerator, okay? So I'm going to take it and roll it up into a little round ball. Then I'm going to roll that little ball in my ground up pecans. There you have it. Alright, let me do a couple more of these just to show you. The little squares from the icebox fruitcake, and just roll it in your hand until it gets round. That's round enough. Roll it again in the pecans, ground up pecans. Now you could also use confectionery sugar. Now if you use chocolate, just melt your chocolate and then let it cool just a little bit, and then you can roll them in. And these do need to probably stay in the refrigerator. Alright, let's do one more. And again, this is some of the leftover batter from Amaretto Icebox fruitcake. So I'm going to just mash it till I can get it sort of rounded. And then just roll it. Now this fruitcake is filled with maraschino cherries, pecans, I think it was walnuts, dates, and I can't even remember what else. And it's got some nutmeg in it, just a little bit. You really can't taste the nutmeg. Alright, now I'm rolling another one. And so when you want a little snack, you know how after a meal you say, well, I just want a bite or 2 of something sweet? There you go. Okay? I'm going to do one more. Once you get your fruitcake made, this is very, very easy. It's actually kind of fun. You have to kind of mash down hard too to get them into the round shape. So as round as you can get them. There you go. I'm going to cut one of these in 2 and let you see what it looks like. There you go. Can you see that real good? And they are delicious. they're like candy, okay? Alright, see you next time.